Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to see your YouTube channel views in the last month on your PC. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click on your profile picture. Step 2. Select YouTube Studio. Step 3. Go to the dashboard. Step 4. Under Summary, you will find the information you're looking for. By following these steps, you can easily monitor your channel's performance and track the number of views it has received in the last month. Understanding your channel's viewership is crucial for assessing your content's impact and making informed decisions for growth. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to see your YouTube channel views in the last month on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Remember, keeping track of your channel's performance is key to optimizing your content and engaging with your audience. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials coming soon.